Hello everybody, my name is Sienna Kilsum Olgan and I am the artist behind Sweet Tooth Nursery. Today we're going to be sculpting an ear. I hope you enjoy and let's get started. So the first thing to think about when sculpting an ear is the size. Now to the right I have blended an ear that is going to be the size I want it to be, and to the left is an unblended ear, and that is the size I'm going to be working with, because if you work with the bigger size then you're going to end up making the ear way bigger than you think it's going to be, and it's not going to turn out good. I just start off with a ball. I just roll this ball in between my hands. I'm using Super Sculpey clay. I've also used Living Doll by Super Sculpey. It works just about the same, I think. And that's the first step that I do. I roll the clay into a ball. Here's just a short video showing the shape and the size of the clay, and then there's the picture of it onto the doll, what would be the doll head. And here I've blended the front part in. This is what the back looks like right now. And next step I would do is just quickly blend in the back using a spatula tool, just pushing the clay into the back, and that's the ear blended in and the back blended in. Here I just started marking out the ear using a ball tool, and then I used my spatula tool to push in the insides of the ear and the upper parts of the ear. I then also used a spatula tool to push in the little crooked thing that goes into your ear, and started blending that out. I then got my ball tools out and I started working on the insides of the ears, which looks kind of like a bowl. And as I push the clay around, it actually makes the outer edge of the ear stick out a little bit, which is nice because that's what ears look like. And then I just blend this up with silicone tools, making it look smooth. So now I use the spatula tool again to push on the bottom part of the crooked thing that goes into your ear. And I'm making it a little bit more defined, but I also want to blend it out because that part blends into the bowl area, the inner part of the ear there. And at the same time I am working on the upper part of the ear, the little part that goes to the face that kind of looks like a fork. So now I'm starting to be happy with the upper parts of the ear, and now I want to work on the lower parts. So I pushed my tool in there to create that little crevice, and then blending that in, pushing the tool to create the little thing that sticks out of your ear there to create that, and then blending that in. I took this photo of a side view to kind of show you the 3D effects, and here I am digging out the insides because I got a little bit too much clay right there, so I'm just digging that out. That's what it looks like after I took that piece out. And I also took a little bit more out from the bottom part of the ear. And then I blended that, and it looks like this. At this point, I'm starting to be quite happy with the ear, so I'm working on the earlobe, just creating some creasing and some thickness and deepness. And then I like to push on the outside of the ear too, to kind of shape it a little bit and make it look a little bit different from just a standard ear. And just blending it in, pushing it around. So after finishing the ear, I look at the back and it's not blended in anymore. So I quickly fix that. I just blend it in, making it look pretty. You can actually add some creasing behind here. This is just a quick to show you guys. And this is the finished ear. And I like to add a little point to the top of my ears like that. That's not something everybody needs to have. I just think it looks cute. And this is the start. The ear that we sculpted is the same size as the blended ear from the first picture. So if you use the same size that you want your ear to end up with, it's going to end up way bigger, and that's just what I wanted to show with this picture. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of tutorial. I hope it was easy to understand. If you have any questions at all, just ask me in the comments. I'm more than happy to help. This specific baby in this picture is called Noelle. It's the sculpture I'm working on currently. She's almost ready to be baked, and there will be more videos about her. If you want any other kind of tutorial, just ask me to, and I'll see if I can make it happen. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.